Okay, now that we've found the 4 easy points on this circle with radius 4, and those points are 4, 0, 0, 4, negative 4, 0, and 0, negative 4, I want to challenge you to find some other ones that are not so easy to figure out. But first, I need a random decision from anybody who's in the room. Just choose one of these 2 words, horizontal or vertical. First one.
Vertical.
Go. Vertical, thank you. Now I need a number from negative 4 to 4.
4.
Can't choose 4.
3.
3 is perfect. So we chose vertical and we chose 3. Just random, okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to draw a vertical line at 3 on the x-axis. So here goes. Dot, 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 dot. And that will strike the circle twice, won't it? Once, twice. So we're in the middle of filming our video. Shh. And we see that we get 2 points. So we chose to do a vertical line at x equals 3 because that will give us 2 points. 2 points that are not at all easy to figure out. We're doing the challenging ones now, the ones that are tough to figure out. But because you chose to do a vertical line at x equals 3, we now know that this point up here on the top right is 3 comma something, but I don't know what. And this point in the bottom right is 3 comma, I don't know what that one is either, 3 comma something. But you do see, I think, the symmetry in the picture, right? The top and the bottom are symmetrical. Okay. Anybody have an idea of what we could do? Oh, yes, I see your hand. Good idea. I don't think they can hear you on the video, but I heard you say, substitute into the equation. Good idea. So if we have the equation, x squared plus y squared equals, gee, I forget what it was. I'll scroll up and see it.
Where do we get this sheet from?
It was 16. It's in the calendar. We're now going to substitute x equals 3. If we substitute x equals 3 into that, now this you guys can participate in. What would I get on the next line if I put a 3 in place of the x?
9.
Yeah, 9 plus y squared equals 16, right? Now we kind of skipped a step. Is everybody okay on how we got 9 there? 3 squared is 9. Okay, we have more people coming into the middle of our video recording, which is just fine. Just it's a video.
I got this. Don't worry.
So y squared is equal to 16 take away 9. So y squared must be 7. Now we need the class to figure out what y is equal to. Actually, I do need the class to figure out what y is equal to. What is y equal to if the square of y is 7, then y must be
49.
square root of 7. Yeah, it was a joke on the 49. It's actually this. Grab a calculator. 2.65. Thank you. Y is approximately 2.65. Now, that must go on our diagram. So let's go back up to the diagram. And you guys are all doing this. You're writing your diagram. 2.65 goes there. Pay careful attention now. We have symmetry in the diagram. So I'm going to highlight. I need this value here figured out. The one that I'm highlighting and pointing at with a big blue arrow. What's that y value? There's symmetry. It's got to be negative 2.65. It's got to be. So let's rub that out and write negative. Negative. Let's write negative 2.65 right there. That's the symmetry taking over. Scroll back down and we'll just fix what we were writing. Oh, we're almost out of time, so I have to go really fast. You have to put a plus or minus sign right here. That gives you a plus or minus sign right there. And then, so now we have 2 more points that are on the graph, namely 3, 2.65 and 3, negative 2.65, the end.